Hello, my name is Nicole Lamerson, and I am a research associate at the National Research Center for Parents with Disabilities, and I'm thrilled to welcome you to our data dashboard. The dashboard was created to provide information about parents with disabilities in the U.S. in a variety of formats. In this brief tutorial, we will show you how to use and navigate the data dashboard. You have the option to view data for all states or focus on a specific state. Right now, the map is showing all states, but if we select Colorado, you'll see the map update accordingly and the numbers will change. If we switch to California, the numbers will change again, or we can return to viewing all states together. These percentages represent the people we're analyzing. For example, what percentage of parents have any kind of disability? And what percentage of parents have a cognitive disability? Below, we've broken it down by gender. Here is the percentage of female parents who have any disability. And here is the percentage of male parents with any disability. Additionally, we've included data on race and poverty status. You can customize the type of disability you want to focus on by clicking here. For example, you could filter for hearing disabilities or multiple disabilities. There's also an option to filter the demographic group you're interested in. So if you're a researcher focusing on Black disabled women, you can filter for just women, and then specifically for Black disabled women who are parents. Here, we're looking at the prevalence of specific disabilities. As you can see, the filters are set to female and Black. And the percentage for multiple disabilities in this population is 3.9%. For any disabilities, this percentage is higher at 9.7%. This number remains consistent in multiple places because we are analyzing the prevalence of any disability across this filtered group. However, you'll notice that the prevalence of any disability is higher among Black female parents living below the poverty line compared to those living above it. You can find more information and frequently asked questions about the dashboard at the bottom of the page. We would greatly appreciate your feedback and encourage you to email us about your experience with the dashboard at centerforparents@brandeis.edu. This email is also linked at the bottom of each page. Thank you for your interest in learning more about parents with disabilities. We hope that the dashboard is helpful for you.